Hey guys, so today we're making Mexican street corn. So if you've never had this, it's so delicious. You have to give it a try. So I'm gonna be boiling my corn. You could also roast the corn, and then it's topped with mayo and some delicious cheese and different seasonings. So if you'd like to see how I make Mexican style street corn, just keep watching this video. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is cook the corn. So I decided to boil my corn. So all I did to boil it was add the corn in a pot of water and let it boil for about 10 minutes. If you want, you could add a few tablespoons of butter to boil the corn also, but I didn't do that this time. Or you can also roast the corn, so it's your preference here. And once the corn is cooked, we're gonna start putting on the topping. So this is the cheese I'm using here, Cotija cheese. Hopefully I pronounced that right. You're also gonna need some mayo. You're also gonna need some chili powder and Tajin seasoning. Alright guys, so once the corn is finished being cooked, you're gonna take some skewer sticks. I broke mine in half because I didn't want it too long. They also sell the sticks that's specifically for corn on the cob, so if you want, you could shop around and see if you find it. It's shorter and thicker than the sticks for like skewers. Alright you guys, so I'm just placing the skewers in the bottom of each of my corn on the cob, and then what I did was I placed my cheese in a plate. Alright, and you should also have the mayonnaise in a bowl nearby. So next what I'm gonna do is take one corn at a time, and you're also gonna need a brush for the mayo, and take the, or you can use a spatula also. We're just gonna brush the corn with the mayonnaise. So make sure it's fully covered with the mayo. And then you're gonna take the corn on the cob that's already covered with your mayonnaise, and you're gonna dip it in the plate with the cheese. So you want to make sure the corn is fully coated with the mayonnaise and then the cheese. Alright, this is the good flavor. This is how it tastes, extra delicious, and you guys are gonna love it. I promise. It's so delicious. Alright, so once the corn is coated in the cheese, the next step is to add the seasonings. And what I like to add on top of my corn, sprinkle it with some chili powder and some Tajin seasoning. So sprinkle the chili powder and the Tajin seasoning as much or as little as you'd like. And then the last step, you could sprinkle on some fresh cilantro chopped up, and that's it you guys. So simple, and this corn is so delicious. It's one of my favorite street snack recipes. I remember the first time I tried it, I've been in love ever since. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and easy recipe. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you give the recipe a try, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.